MLA Sanasam Premchandra of Kumbi Assembly Constituency in Bishnupur district interacted with farmers who deals in early crop cultivation. During the interaction with farmers of Wangu, Sadangkhong and neighboring villages, he personally applied fertilizers on paddy fields to demonstrate hands-on approach to agricultural support. Addressing the media following the activity, MLAS Premchandra emphasized the importance of food self-sufficiency for states' development. He underscored the necessity for individuals to take charge of their agricultural activity initiatives, noting that depending solely on government employment or imported food would not facilitate growth. Instead, he advocated for a proactive approach, urging communities to cultivate their own food as a means of achieving self-reliance and a model for sustainable development.
Farmani hene amna leba agriculture land na khar marang ya kaina leba phom oibna ko double coughing se try to yam success hoire sigi roina na isa mak damdam sigi thagat pa mihut amo MLA mo ngasi honorable chief minister myang bi CM myang gi lusing mo NBN singha gi lusing makha da koi tongan ba hungang sing da satna aduga magi kendra satlaga parja sing ga loina na tawu ya ba thabak sing se koi tawraga hayeng gi miron gi da amade haure ba mayam sing sida koi wat pa da ba ngai phabulam da mama kendra mo oina ba khona ba amduga wat pa da Manipur mo oina ba khona ba koi dai ta drog jabani nasi ai nai gi maisa mayam amga kesan mayam amga pullaga pandir ba se Manipur miyam da ai masim tang haijari ai koi isagi thabak se shana tawu tamse isagi thabak mina tawu ngai raga mina porpa ngai raga hona bodo aduna koi mikha pon se horok prane khale